Hi! In front of me is STK Life 9 and today I would like to show you how you can add screen lock on this device. Start by opening settings. Now you need to scroll down, select security and location, tap on screen lock and pick one of those login methods, swipe pattern, pin or password. I will go with pattern, so I have to click on it, select yes or no in this secure startup question and enter my pattern. Then just next at the bottom right corner, repeat it and tap on confirm. Over here you need to select when your device is locked, how do you want notifications to be displayed. I don't want any, so I will go don't show notifications at all and tap on done. Now when I turn off my screen then turn it back on, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!